Dear students, today we are going to do the problem of exercise number 7 from the first lesson, journal entries from Telugu Academy textbook of Intermediate first year, which is prescribed by Board of Intermediate Education, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh states. So I will read the question for you. Journalize the following transactions. It is exercise number 7. Mr. Anthony commenced business with cash 13,000 and stock of 7,000. So we are recording journal entries in the books of Mr. Anthony. So here he has started business with not only with cash, and he has brought some stock also with him to start the business. So here important note I have written in the rules of double entry system. Whenever business is started with cash, that is capital, then you should take debit cash account, credit capital account. So but in this question, he is not only bringing cash, he is also getting stock into the business. So we will take March 1st, cash account data, $13,000. Stock account data, 7,000. To capital account. So total put together 13,000 plus 7,000, that is 20,000. So we have recorded the opening entry, and for this journal entry we have to write a statement for what purpose we have written this journal entry. So that is called narration, and the narration will start with the word being. Being business started by Mr. Anthony with cash and stock. And the 2nd March, Mr. Anthony has bought plant for business. So plant is nothing but an asset or property. But most of the students, what they feel is that plant means whatever plants we have in our home, they feel plant means that sort of greenery plant. But in business language or in commerce language, plant is nothing but a bunch of machinery. A bunch of machinery is called a plant. I mean, various machineries constitute into a plant. So it is an asset or property. So this particular aspect of transaction, it deals with real property rule. So the real property rule is debit what comes into the business, credit what goes out of the business. So what is coming in when we are buying a plant? Plant is coming into the business. So we will debit plant account 5,000 to what goes out of the business? Cash goes out. He has not mentioned in the transaction, but you should assume the universal medium of exchange is money, that is cash. So cash is going out of the business. Being plant, bought or purchased. And next one is March 3rd, paid for postage. What do you mean by postage? Most of the students, they are not aware what is postage. Postage is nothing but, there are post offices across India, Indian Postal Services. So in this post office, we will get revenue stamps and different types of stamps. We get different types of covers. We get money orders, or several aspects are dealt. Nowadays, even post offices, they are dealing with various other activities like selling government securities like Indra Vikas Patra or National Saving Certificates and all. So postage is nothing but an expense to the business. So this particular postage, it will be dealt under nominal rule. So under nominal rule, it deals with all expenses, losses, incomes and gains of the business only. So here postage is an expense. So debit all expenses and losses. So I will debit postage. How much? It is 500. And in what form you are paying postage? You will pay in the form of cash, the universal medium of exchange, that is money. So the narration will be for this particular journal entry being postage paid. And the next transaction is March 5th, paid for sundry expenses. So here sundry means that most of the students, they have doubt. What do you mean by sundry? Sundry is nothing but all petty expenses, various petty expenses are called sundry expenses. Various petty expenses or various miscellaneous expenses or various small expenses, all put together, we call them sundry expenses. So it is a business expense, so we will deal under nominal rule. So the nominal rule formula is debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So here sundry expenses we will debit. In what form we are paying? In the universal medium of exchange, that is cash. How much? 500. Being sundry expenses paid. And next one is March 6th, paid into bank. So here bank has come. So it comes under personal rule, because the personal rule, it deals with the names of people or persons, banks or business establishment or firm. So here bank, it will come under personal rule. I mean, whenever you deposit cash into bank or whenever you withdraw cash from bank, both the transactions, it will be dealt under personal rule only. So here the formula is debit is the receiver, credit is the giver. So paid into bank, bank is the receiver. And credit is the giver. What we are giving? We are giving cash cash to the bank. How much? It is 10,000. So for this journal entry, we should write a statement for what purpose we have written this journal entry. That is called narration, and the narration will start with the word being. Being cash paid into bank. Being cash paid into bank. Next transaction is on March 7th. Paid salaries 5,000. So you know every business establishment will have employees to work. For all the employees, they have to pay salaries, their remuneration for the services rendered. If that is the case of a labor, we pay them wages, but for employees we pay salaries, and it is the right of the employees to get their payment. So it is a business expense, it should be taken under nominal rule. So debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. This is the formula. So salaries paid should be debited. I will debit all expenses. So we will take salaries accounted are 5,000. In what form you are paying salaries? If the management pays salaries by check or online payment, then you should take bank account. But here nothing is mentioned, so you will pay salaries in the universal form of medium of exchange, that is money, that means cash. So you will credit cash account. So credit cash 5,000. And for the journal entry, we will write a statement, and that statement is called narration, and the narration will start with the word being. Being salaries paid. And dear students, the last and final transaction in exercise number 7 of Telugu Academy textbook of intermediate first year is March 9th. Cash withdraw from bank for office use. So again, bank has come. So under personal rule, already in the previous transaction I have told you, personal rule deals with the names of persons, banks or business establishment or firm. So here we are withdrawing cash from bank for office use and in business purpose. So it is dealt under personal rule. So the formula is debit the receiver, credit the giver. So in the transaction it is cash withdraw from bank. So what we are receiving cash. $1,200. And who is the giver? Giver is bank. Credit is the giver. Who is the giver? Giver is the bank. When you are withdrawing money from bank, bank is the giver. So bank should be credited. Now for the journal entry, we will write a statement why we are recording the journal entry. That statement is called narration, and this narration will start with the word being. Being cash withdrawn from bank. So, dear students, this is the end of the exercise number 7 from the Telugu Academy textbook of inter first year prescribed by Board of Telangana, Internet Board of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh states. So if you like my video, please share with your friends as well as don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.